The I-4 Ultimate project has seen major improvements all along the entire 21-mile corridor. The redesign of the I-4 State Road 434 interchange accommodates more motorists, helping to alleviate congestion. A free-flowing loop ramp now allows easier access to westbound I-4 from westbound 434. And the longer exit ramp from I-4 westbound to 434 allows for added capacity. And the entrance and exit to the I-4 rest area near 434 has been redesigned to make it safer for motorists and truck drivers. And the rest area exit is no longer connected to the 434 exit ramp. Traffic exiting I-4 to 434 no longer mixes with drivers coming out of the rest area, increasing safety and efficiency at this interchange. To learn more, visit i4ultimate.com.